Years ago is when it all happened.
What was he like?
It's a story too long to tell.
What book, then?
Lucky for me, the start was already written down.
One Patrick wrote about you.
But no, this story continues long after the writer died.
He was the first one to die. How could he have?
While his chapters had ended, mine were just beginning.
There you are. Have you read it?
I ain't got time to read that shit.
Talks about everything. The murder.
I wouldn't bother reading that.
You have to read it. It explains everything.
I don't need to read it. I'll get the audiobook. Let's do this.
This summer, prepare for action, adventure, mystery, magic, and mayhem.
I have a secret to tell.
Werewolves?
I sense the force of a fractured one.
Good read, by the way.
I don't appreciate the sarcasm. Fuck, man, that's my friend Drake. Sniper.
Strike a pose while I find the fucker. Got it!
What you see is not to be trifled with. It comes for us.